Steve here from Escape Adventures with Robin and Steve. We're here to talk about the new Go Penguin luggage that we just got, and we're going to try and use 2 carry-on size luggage bags for a 7-day cruise for 2 people. So here is the Go Penguin luggage as it comes in the box. It's a great box. It's extremely sturdy and holds everything, as you can see. As you open it up, you can see the Go Penguin is in a bag, keeping it secure. And then also when you're done with it, you can use it as a laundry bag or whatever else you want. I'll set that down for now. And then the box, they have instructions on the side for turning it into a cat house. Here's what that looks like. As you can see, it will provide your cats with hours and hours of entertainment. So as you can see, the bag is in a bag, and you open the bag and slide out the bag. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's got very nice wheels on it. It has combination lock with TSA security keys. Latches that latch and hold, easy to put in and out. When you open the bag, of course, the telescoping handle. Bag, zippers down both sides. When you open it, as you can see, it has 2 distinct compartments. One is sort of a little more free form. It's got a bucket. You can fill it with whatever you like. And this side has sectioned off pouches. Nice zippered in area with, again, a large bucket. And then some smaller pouches for socks and sundries and whatever else you like. So we have these 2 bags, and we're going to attempt to take a 7-day cruise on the Norwegian Getaway with 2 adults and 2 carry-on size bags. To see if it meets our needs and see if we can deal with not having to check luggage and have it delivered to the room, and just be able to just bring our bags as we like. We're certainly excited about the opportunity. It's going to be great. It's a 7-day cruise out of New Orleans on the Norwegian Getaways. Robin just took this one with her on her trip out to see Rick Springfield, and it worked out great for her, and she had no problems with all of her needs in this 1 carry-on size bag. We're going to use these bags to take just what we need and nothing more. We're also going to have 1 extra carry-on each. I'm going to bring a backpack because we're going to, buy some souvenirs and whatnot that we're probably not going to have room for in the bag. So aside from that, we're up to the challenge, and Go Penguin, you rock. We'll see you again on our next adventure.
Hi, Robin with Escape Adventures with Robin and Steve here. We are getting ready to pack for our Norwegian NCL Getaway cruise. And we're going to try to fit all this stuff into our Go Penguin bags, which we just got. These we bought for Christmas. We thought it would be great to try to travel in a suitcase this size for a 7-night cruise, along with a carry-on bag, so that we can fly without having to pay for baggage. I just recently used this the first time on a 4-night trip, and I had everything I needed in this bag. It was 24 pounds, and it was wonderful. So we're going to try to fit a little more in it and make it go for us for the entire 7-night cruise. So this is going to be me trying to get these things in the bag. Let's see how it goes. everything but the jacket, the shoes, and the socks. Everything but that. We'll have to see what we're going to do with that. Check back. Okay, now we're going to try to pack my bag. There's quite a bit of stuff here. I have no idea what's going to fit in the bag. We're going to try and see what we can get in. I've got some deletion items if necessary, but we're going to try. Okay, so let's start with, see, like 2 pairs of pants. Do I really need 2 pairs of capri pants? I mean, I could wear them twice, but they're white. I'm sure I'll drop something on them. Just don't know. Let's start with the shirts, because I know I've got that down. Okay, so first try was not successful. We had to delete a pair of jeans and a pair of shorts of mine. So I'm going to try it with that. I have 2 pairs of shorts, a pair of black capris, a pair of white capris, a denim skirt, and all of the 2 pairs of shorts that I have, the jean shorts. Now those can mix and match with any of my tops for day or evening. They're nice shorts, they're not gross or anything. They're not cut-offs, they're just nice denim shorts. Literally, that's the only shorts I'm bringing, though. That doesn't seem like enough. I love packing. Okay. Hopefully 7 days worth of clothes, enough to last me through a 7-night cruise to Jamaica, Cozumel, and Grand Cayman. So a couple of days at sea. We've got some good strong bag here. Hopefully we're going to put the shoes in the carry-ons and then they'll fit in there, no problem. I only ended up having to delete the 1 bra. It's only taking 1 extra. I'll be wearing 1, of course. I'm not sure I'm going to take the 8-liter shoes that we've got. We've never had use for them yet, but our excursion's from a boat. So I can't see these being handy snorkeling because you don't want to walk on any type of urchins or wildlife. But we'll try that. Steve's socks definitely have to get in the bag as well as his jacket. It's an additional jacket, so we may not take it. The jeans that I deleted, oh well, I'll just wear something else. And the sleep pants as well. And the extra pair of shorts. I'll recycle the others, and if I need to do laundry, I will. But this is the challenge. Can we do this? So far, so good. We'll see you soon. See you on our adventure.